Welcome to my YouTube channel English class. So guys, in today's video I am going to teach you how to use present tense, and also I am going to teach you its types: simple present tense, present perfect, present continuous and present perfect continuous tense. So guys, if we talk about present tense, it's really difficult, it's really confusing part if we learn about that. So actually it has a very basic structure with each subtense. Okay, actually present tense has four subtenses. Simple present tense has a different structure, present continuous has a different structure. Only this structure makes us confused, so that's the reason we cannot use properly, and also we are not able to make sentence, we are just unable to build a sentence. So guys, first of all let's clear this confusion with structure. So first I'm going to use simple present tense. Simple present tense, subject plus v1 plus object, that is its structure. So if we talk about how to make sentence, I eat my breakfast, it would be simple present tense structure. Actually we use simple present tense to express our habitual actions, our daily routine action that we do all the time, that we do repeatedly, continuously, that we all talk about in simple present tense. Okay, that's the very basic structure and basic use we do. If we talk about present perfect, this tense has a different use. Okay, in this tense we use to express this tense those actions that already have happened, already have completed in the present. Okay, for example, I have eaten my breakfast. I am talking about my breakfast that already I have eaten in the morning, so that action completely completed. Okay, so that action I am just using with present perfect tense. Okay, so I hope this clear. So okay, if I talk about present continuous, when we use this tense, we use this tense to express those actions which are going on. Like I'm speaking and you're listening, this is the running action, this is going on and continuous action, it has no full stop. We talk about present moment, what we are doing, what we are watching, listening, such action that continuously going on, those action we talk in present continuous tense. For example, I am teaching you present tense, you are learning present tense now through this video. This would be present continuous sentence. Okay, if we talk about present continuous structure is very simple: subject plus am is are plus ing plus object. Okay, so guys, remain one. Okay, one, and that would be final of present tense, present perfect continuous tense. Sometimes it becomes so confusion and it becomes so hard to use, because rarely we use this tense to express our action, because it has connection with past also, present and future. It has connected with three tense. For example, suppose there was an action which has started in the past, which is running in the present and also will be running in the future. For example, I am teaching English for last 2 years. For example, or I have been teaching English for 2 years. What does it mean? मैं पिछले 2 सालों से इंग्लिश सिखाते आ रहा हूँ. So this is how we can use present perfect continuous tense. If we talk about its structure, subject plus, have has been plus, ing plus object. It's very simple. There's no confusion. We have to just keep on our mind and just try to clear your concept about structure, its sentence structure. Okay, whatever it is. So guys, I hope I have cleared your mind and your concept. So if you want to learn more about all the English, please watch my videos on this channel, and for next video do not forget to subscribe my channel and like my videos. Okay, so I hope you learn something, so definitely you will give a like video Okay, thank you. For next time I will give us something new and something extraordinary about English. So till then, have a good time.